Hello and welcome to this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Jamaica is an imaginative place filled with big dreamers. In commemoration of Women in History Month, E-Prime spoke exclusively with three talented women who recently made history by winning awards for their short film Flight at the Black Women Film Network Film Festival in Atlanta and the Novo Regards Festival in Guadeloupe, respectively.
Coming in Kingston. Kingston, this is Mars.
How far is the moon again? Just 384,400 kilometers. Just enough kilometer that.
We feel like there are just so many stories in Jamaica to tell, and we wanted to tell a really positive, a really imaginative one. We wanted it to inspire inner city youth to dream big and to fuel their emotions, to use it to propel them forward and upward.
Flight was selected from 104 film entries, taking home awards for Best Screenplay, the Audience Award, and Best in Festival at the Black Women Film Network Film Festival held recently in Atlanta. Recently, it also won the People's Choice Award and Best Short Film at the Novo Regards Festival in Guadeloupe. Integral to the film's success was the involvement of the Jamaica Film and TV Association, JAFTA. That's it for this evening's edition of E-Prime. I'm Daedran. Thank you for watching.